is always followed by plural subject and plural verb. For example, a great many students have been declared successful. A great many students have been declared successful. One more rule I will be discussing with you. When two different subjects are joined by with together with and no less than many of the times we join two different subjects with together with and no less than. We don't know how to place verb when we are joining with these words, different two subjects. So you keep in your mind with his subordinates has arrived. There we place verb here according to first subject. When two different subjects are joined by these words, we will have to say the first subject, whether this is a singular or plural. If this is singular, we will have to place singular verb. If this is plural, then we will have to place plural verb. You see, first subject he, this is singular. That's why we have placed here has. If there is they, then how. So one more example I can give you. Kanta together with her children is present in the meeting. Kanta together with her children. So sometimes we may be confused to see Kanta, children. The author is talking about different persons. Why we place singular verb here? Is क्यों आएगा? Are क्यों नहीं आएगा? तो if you have clear picture in your mind, when two different subjects are joined with together with no less than, then we will have to place verb according to first subject, चाहे वो plural है चाहे वो singular है. These things are so important. ये minor things लगती हैं. हर आदमी को लगता है नहीं ये simple है. It's not so simple. When you are working, you are just working on a project. When you are assigned a work to prepare a report, you will commit many mistakes in the understanding of these verbs. So one more example I will give you. देखो, this is You see here, he no less than, he no less than, he no less than I is to blame. You see, this is very complicated. This is very complicated sentence. It's very complicated. You see here, sometime we may have confusion. भाई I के साथ तो am आता है, he के साथ तो is आता है. Why we place here is after I? So if you have clear picture about this, that how to place verb when we are joining two different subject with no less than, then you may not have any confusion while placing the verb. आप ऑटोमेटिकली क्या करोगे, आप देखोगे, क्या देखोगे, फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट को देखोगे. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट ही है इसलिए हमने इज लगा दिया. तो कई बार क्या होता है जब आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम फेस कर रहे हो या कहीं आप इफ यू आर there in the final examination, so such kind of sentences may be asked. You may not be confused if you know that how to place these verbs. So you will automatically see the first subject and place verb if these two different subjects are joined by with, together with, no less than. So for today it is enough. Tomorrow we will discuss more.